Hello everyone. Today we want to share to you our latest trip to the beautiful island of Isla Mujeres, Mexico. Isla Mujeres, if translated, means island of women. It is located just northeast of Cancun. You can ride a ferry going to the island, or you could do what we did. We booked a tour with Albatross Boat Tours. This would be a much better option if you consist of multiple families. As soon as our group was called, the excitement was just too intense for everyone.
Our boat, guys!
The boat that we rode is called the Catamaran, which can hold 40 to 60 persons, depending on its size. We were blessed to be sailing on a sunny day, and everyone enjoyed the turquoise water on the way to the island. The captain's deck will give you a better view of the beautiful waters on the way to the island. Before you get to the island, the boat will stop in a snorkeling spot for you to see an underwater attraction. It took a bit of effort for us to get there as the waves were a bit high, but it was all worth it. We were accompanied by a school of fish as we were arriving to the spot, as if they were guiding us on where to go. These hand sculptures are called blessings, which were created by the artist Elier Amado Hill, located in Punta Sam. Everyone had fun visiting the underwater sculpture. There are more of these sculptures around Punta Sam, but we just didn't have time to visit most of them. As we continue on, we are again met by the beautiful waters, telling us that we are nearing the island. Our boat docked at the southern part of Isla Mujeres. First things first, lunch at Amazona Beach Club. After about 2 hours of swimming and a little bit of relaxation, we then transferred to the northern part of the island. The catamaran is just one way to reach the island. You can basically use the public ferry to reach Isla Mujeres. As soon as you go out of the port, You will go through souvenir shops. The perfect way to explore the island is to rent a golf cart. You can basically rent a golf cart per hour or per day. Remember to bring your driver's license, as you will need that to book the golf carts. You can park anywhere in the streets as long as it's painted yellow or it's a designated parking space. Anywhere that's painted red, it's prohibited for parking. If you are just two adults, you can also rent a motorcycle.
Hi! Kuya! Yeah, hi!
Isla Mujeres is just 4.3 miles long, so you can basically tour the island within a day. You can find different restaurants, food stalls, and even ice cream shops as you go. As we are nearing the end of the tour, we enjoy the remaining time on the way back to Cancun with family and friends riding the mighty catamaran. It is definitely one of the places to visit when you're in the Cancun area in Mexico. An experience that would definitely take you away from the hustles and bustles of the world, even for just a while.